Hello and good morning, everyone. So, I am Mohammed Prato, and today I will be teaching you very basic elements of Microsoft Excel. As you guys know already, that Microsoft Excel is a very important tool to increase your productivity. At this age, at this time, you can't move a single step without these skills of Microsoft Excel. So I will begin from the beginning. I will assume that you guys don't know what is Microsoft Excel and what to do with it at all. So let's give a brief description of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a productivity tool which we use to increase our productivity and save our time. And the basic thing that we do with Microsoft Excel is we calculate, we simplify very difficult and large amount of calculations so easily that we can save hours after hours just by a few clicks. So let's give uh give you guys a brief interaction of this interface, what is meant by what, and where we can find what, and which items will help us to do the work that we intended to do. So the very first thing you would see is this ribbon. This is called a ribbon. This the whole part is called the ribbon. This is where you will find most of the tools that will be needed to perform the calculations. So this is the file, a true file. You save, you print, you share, you export. This is home. In home tab you will find this portion at the left. This is for pasting, cutting, cropping, and this is formatting. I will explain this later. You won't understand what does it mean. So let's be very basic, and this is the portion where you format, you modify the letters, the capitals, the sentences. For example, if you want to increase the size of this text, you will just have to select that. Yeah, as you can see, it has increased. The size has increased. Let's move to the previous one. And here you can also select the format of the text, or format of the sentences, how it would look. All right, so yeah, so these are the tools that would help you to uh, keep your text in center, in aligned, or in the left or in the right. So these are the advanced things that I will explain later when time will come. For now, uh, let's move on. So this is home, this is insert. In insert, you will be able to insert table. Illustration means images or shapes, different shapes. For example, if I want to draw a rectangular shape, I will be able to draw it. And if you want to undo it, just you have to click right here, undo, or you can press curl plus Z. It will undo your previous action. All right, so in insert you will be able to draw, you will be able to insert different graphs and charts and tables. So this is what the insert ribbon has in it. And this is page layout. In page layout you will be able to uh, resize your page. You can insert margins, you can change the background of this sheet. For example, if I want to insert a different background, I can insert from browser, or I can take from my PC as well. So this is basically what page layout does. It just modifies or format your page where you are, and make it more appealing or beautiful to look at. All right. And these are the formulas. These are the formulas. These are more advanced things that you will learn as you will move along with me. uh, this is a very important ribbon data. Through this, you will be able to filter out the information that you want to be specific, you want to know about. This is a very short sample of information that I have prepared for you guys for the simplicity of learning. But while you will work in advanced level in Microsoft Excel, you will have to work with thousands of data sets. So in this case, the filtering, the sorting will help you sort the information you actually want to see or want to work with or want to know. In view, this view also helps to modify the page to appear more readable, or to be appear more usable. For example, if I click in these grid lines, as you can see, the grid lines will disappear. If you choose not to work with grid lines, you can undo here. You can come to view and undo grid lines, so it will just make the grid lines vanished. Yeah, I would right now rather we work with the grid line. These are the formula bars. If you click on the formula bar, you can see the formula bar. Now all right, so let's say what is that. This is called the formula bar. If, as you can see, if I click here in D9, this is the cell number. uh, the cell number here, the cell number will tell you where uh your cells are, where your this green shaded area of your worksheet will tell you where you are. And also this name box at the left corner will also tell you where you are actually. All right. So and this is the formula bar. For example, if I click on this, this formula bar will show where you are, in which cell what is written. For example, if I click total mark, you can see here total marks. Another thing, what formula bar does, let me show you now. Okay, I'll show you this later when we will do this average, meaning then I will show you how, what does this formula bar mean. It will basically show your formula, what formulas you have used instead of the number itself. This is review. uh, this thing isn't worked. This thing is not very much used in Excel. In developer, this one is used for the advanced, very advanced professional level. For example, if I record the macros, and all right, I will let you know what does it mean. You won't understand at this level. Yeah, so let's move on home tab, as you would see. And we have said about the name box and the formula bar. So these is the columns. These are the columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the rows. All right, you will know these are the rows. And what is that I have written? a simple data sheet of a school. The school name is Varan International School of 6 standard students. You can see here the roll numbers and the scores they have made in their final examination. Let's write here final exam. Yeah, these are the scores they have made in their final exam. This is the grade sheet. So this is a very basic form. Now we will modify it. We will make it more visually appealing, so that you can understand it more easily. All right. So as you can see, we have started with final exam, Fun International School. The name is, and this is sixth, and that's students information. So these are the subject. So as you can see, the subject is here only at above English, but it's not looking good, isn't it? Is it looking good? No, it's not looking good. For example, this final examination, this is also not looking good. All right. So our data set is up to column C, up to column C to K, right? So I will select C to K, and as you can see, margin and center. The final exam, this final exam text will be at the center when I will press margin center. As you can see, now I will highlight it. I will highlight it so that it looks more pleasing, visually pleasing. Okay, I have highlighted it. One more thing I can do, I can increase the size of the text. Isn't it looking better right now? Yeah. If you want, you can change the looks of, yeah, looks or the format of the text. All right, let's keep it a real rounded beauty bold. As this is Fun International School, I want to make it look fun. All right, I will do the same thing for the Fun International School as well. I will margin center. March cells only keeps the upper value, left values, and discard values. Okay, let's undo it and do it once again. Margins. Okay, let's increase one more cell. If you want to increase one more cell here, you would like to increase one more row here, insert one more row here, just click here between 3 and 2 and press enter. It will increase one more cell. I want to increase above 4, so I will select the row 4 and press insert. Yeah, so you, as you can see, one more cell has increased. So I will margin and cell it once again and make it at the middle. I have merged and, yeah, at the middle, right? Yeah, so I will do the same thing for Fun International School. It's not happening, I don't know why. All right, let's write it down once again. Fun International VI, enter. Yeah, I will make it bold. I will make it bold. These here, yeah. So these are the subject line. The subject is from here to here. I will merge. Then I will give it another color. Yeah, this looks better. So I can insert a border here as well and a border here as well. So I have given two borders. It looks better. So yeah, in subject I will give another border as well. So I have shown you how to insert one row from here. You guys should be able to say how I would enter one more cell, one more column here, right? You have to select here. Why would I like to insert one more column here? Because see, I forgot to write the name of the students. I do not have the name of the students right here, right? So I want to insert one more column here. So I will press to this and press insert. Sorry, I will select this, press insert. Sorry, I press this and press insert. Oh god, why this is happening? Insert. Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, all right. So now here I will write student name. As you can see, when I have written student name, I can only see a name. I can't see ME, right? To solve this problem, you just press right click here and increase the width of this column until you see the full text you want to see. Here, the total marks. I want to increase the width of this as well, and here as well. Total average marks. Yeah, I want to increase this one as well. Yeah, now it looks better, isn't it? All right, we will make it better. So these are the subject. I want to make it in the center and make it bold. I will give a different color to it. Let's say this one. Roll number, student name. I will make it bold. No, not bold, but in the center. In the center. And how many students are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 students. But I have only written the roll numbers of 4 students. So what can I do? I don't have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 manually. I will just select these 4 and the Excel will automatically judge what would be the next numbers. So I will just drag till 10 and it will automatically write 10. Isn't it beautiful? All right. Now I will write student name A, B, let's say this student is B, let's say C, let's say he's D. I can also do that here as well. So I will select A, B, C, D and drag down till no, it won't be happening with letters E, F, G, H, I, J. All right. So let's just keep them in the middle. You have to click here. All of them will be in the middle, and this is the total mark. Oh, sorry. I want to clear total marks. How do you clear total marks? Click select the shells, click here and clear all. Yeah, it will clear up all. How do you calculate total work? Will you take a calculator with you and calculate that with calculators? No, you just press equal. Equal means you are willing, you want to insert a formula here. Equal to means this. Without equal to sign, you won't be able to insert any formula. So equal to, we want sum of these numbers. We will write sum first bracket, and I I will select from English to biology, G to K, and close it. See, the number is here. This is the total number student A got. Do I have to do this for the next numbers, next cells as well? No, I will once again just drag it down till 10 and it will automatically copy the previous thing that we have done. Isn't it cool? Yeah, that's why I like Excel. So how do we calculate average mark? The same thing. I will give equal to, I want average. See, it is suggesting I will double click at average. I will select this and close the bracket while you will insert the formulas. You have to select the cell numbers and you have to use the brackets to indicate which from which cell number to which cell number you want the average or sum of. So I will just click enter right now, and this is the average mark the student got. Now these are the average marks. Oh god, no one crossed 90. The highest is okay. I won't say which one was is the highest. You guys will see which one is the highest, right? So how do we find out which one is the highest number? How do we find out? Now we will need sorting and filtering. All right, let's give filters. Let's give filters. Insert, sort and filtering, filter to all of them. All right. Now, once you have given filter, select average mark, sort largest to smallest. See, sort largest to smallest. Once you have done it, you will automatically see which one is the largest and which one is the lowest, isn't it? Yeah. So the person who had roll number 8 got the highest. Now the new roll holder. No. Now I will fill up the new roll number. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. I don't have to. I don't have to write till 10. I will just select these three cells and drag till 10. Oh, poor one who was at number 1 is number 5 now. And the most improvement the person did is the number 10th. He really gave an effort in his exam. See? Yeah. From 10th, he is now 2. So hard work beats talent. Number 1 is right at number 5 now. And number 2 is at number 8 now. And number 8 is number 1 now. Right? Alright. This is funny. That's why this is fun international school. Alright? They will judge you on your efforts. Anyway. But wait. Wait. Everyone got good marks. No one failed. Yeah. Now, how would you insert how would you insert the grades here? Huh? How do you insert grades here? So now you can do it by what if analysis. This is the okay. Now you want to insert the grades as well. right? Let's say you want to insert the grades as well. For example, above 80, 87. All right. Uh, you can do it by giving condition. For example, data, what if analysis. I can create a scenario manager. Let's say first of all, copy that number and paste here. Now now I want what if analysis, call seek, select cell. I will select cell from here to here. Why a benchmark is showing like that? Cancel. Okay, okay. Yeah, now it's fine. What if analysis, call seek, these together. 7 above 80 a. All right, I will show you how you insert the grades here in the next class. So this was the old roll numbers and these are the new old numbers, roll numbers. You could easily find out this, isn't it? All right, goodbye for today.